Hello there. Okay, welcome back to today's video, to today's stream, I'll say. Okay, let's see what we got. Can I share my screen? Yes, I can share my screen. I want to share my windows. Let me share the entire thing. Okay, so you can see everything. All right, let's see what we have. So we're going to be looking at oil currently, and let me just check whether the stream is working. So what I'll do is I'll try to join my own stream via a different device. Let's take a look. Okay, just bear with me, guys. Just bear with me. Hmm. Okay, let's see what we got. All right. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Oh, good. All right, let me just check whether everything's working. Good. Okay, I'm getting nice one. Okay, let's get started. So whoever's be joining us, join us. Let me just move this to this side so I can actually see what's going on. Okay. All right. So let's look at some of the charts that we have currently. Okay. So oil. Let's see what oil's been doing. So let's go on the daily time frame. Okay. Now not on an uptrend. So since we tap into this demand zone here at the bottom here, okay. So since there, at this point, okay. So we have been going up. Okay. Now we do have a change of character happening around this point. Okay, and then we tap into another demand area. This unmitigated week to go even higher, and we're currently here. So what I did is I was in trade on oil, and I the market was against me, so I had to close the trade a little bit. So I'm looking to enter the trade again. So we are currently on this supply zone here on the high time frame. So let me go on the weekly time frame. That's where it was. So we have this order block sitting up here. Okay, and we are getting close to tap into this order block on the weekly time frame. So no worries at all. Okay, so where are we currently? So we are currently on an uptrend. So we are looking to buy this until we tap into the order zone. And also, why we are going to be bullish in terms of COG data, we can see that it is indeed bullish as well. Now, in terms of indicators, the indicators that I'm using, guys, these are just the MACD, and this is the stochastic average indicator, and then the COT data as well. You can clearly see there. Okay. All right. Let's take what we got. So let's do some structure mapping. First, structure mapping. So the recent one we have is a break of structure at this point. So BOS. We have another one here as well. I was going to label this one as well, so you can clearly see what we are doing. Let me get rid of this trend line. So here we go. We got BOS here, and then we also have another BOS massive break of structure around this point here. Okay. Now, I want to understand what's happening at every single break of structure. Okay. Now, this is from the week. This is from the low to all the way up. You can clearly see that we have another break of structure here to the upside. Okay. So from this break of structure, okay. So which is the pullback that causes this break of structure? So this is this pullback here. So this is this pullback that causes this break of structure that we have. So we're going to go from here to here and want to buy somewhere low. Okay, and where you want to buy, you want to go on the lower time frame. I'm going to show you a quick thing here. I'll go on the lower time frame. Okay, here we go. So this is the 4-hour time frame, and you want to find a few things. You want to find your point of interest. Now, your point of interest in the extreme zone you're going to is going to be this one. Okay, so this is where people will be placed. This is where people will be and looking to buy, and the stop loss will be below this. Unfortunately, they got taken out, as you can clearly see. Okay, so you want to wait for market to come into your POI zone and wait for the confirmation to happen. So here we've got a bearish candle and a bearish candle close at this point as well. And then what we have is we have a shift happening, so some liquidity grab happening here, and then we have a burst of structure. So we'll go on the lower time frame. So let's go. Let me do this. Look on the 15-minute time frame here. Okay, so here we are on the 15-minute time frame. We are at this particular zone. Here, as you can see, this is where we are reacting off the 70 zone. So we came here. Okay, so we came here. Let me zoom in. Okay, and then what we have is we start to see our liquidity grab, which is here, and we close below that, and then we want to take our more liquidity in this particular case as well. You can clearly see. Okay, now ideally you want to wait for your breakout. So that's no break. So this is the breakout retest. Okay, so that was in the morning. So we have missed. So this is in the morning, is in session. So this is something that we have missed out. And then we are here, London session. Okay, no breakout as well. And then we have our breakout. We have our breakout here. That's when we have the break of structure on the upside. And what we have is we have momentum coming up. Look at this momentum. Okay, so therefore what we need to do is we want to see, okay, what is the thing that causes breakout? It's going to be from here to here. So you want to buy at the low. You want to buy at the low here. So what we have is we have an order block sitting up here. Okay, so you want to wait for market to come and tap into this to go higher. Okay, and what has happened is we have, let's have a look, where is this fair value gap place? So this fair value gap is, okay, so this fair value gap is in our discount zone. So we have the fair value gap, which is in discount zone, and we have this little part of the fair value gap, which is in discount zone. So what you want to do is you want to wait for confirmation. So market came here. Okay, so where is it? So market came to this point, and let's zoom out and see what we have on the lower time frame. Here we go. So I want to see the same thing happening, the same bullish intention happening. So we have a break of structure here. We have the order block, and then what we have is we have the tension happening here. Okay, so my stop would be below that. I'll make this as wide as I can. Go on the 15-minute time frame as wide as I can, and then scroll down, and then we want to go all the way up here. Okay, so this is roughly 1:20. Let's go on the 1 hour time frame again. Okay. All right, let's go on the 4 hour time frame again. Here we go. And then let's see how this play out. Okay, so here we go. Now, how long will this take? So this would have taken from February all the way till February. So 24, 20, 26 to 28. Yeah. So 20, this would have taken 22 days. And this would have been an amazing win, isn't it? Okay. So let's close this. And same thing again. We have a break of structure. Let me see what. Okay, we have a break of structure happening. You have a break of structure happening. Let's check what the big guys are doing. Okay, let's keep an eye on the market. How's the market doing? Anyway, okay. So same thing here again. We have a break of structure. Okay. Okay, so what is the pullback that causes break of structure? So we need to be careful here because what we can say, okay, well, this could be the pullback that causes break of structure, isn't it? But if you look carefully, this here is contained within this range. Okay, so all this thing here, all these candles is within this big red candle here. So this is not a range as well. And here as well, so you can see that these here is contained within this range. So this is not a valid pullback. So therefore, the only valid pullback is going to be this one here. So therefore, we have a pullback from here to the top in this particular case. So therefore, we need to do the same thing. Where can we buy? Where can we find our bias? Sorry, where can we find our buying opportunity? So we have two things here. We have this. I think this has been tapped in. We have a mitigated wick here, and what you can see the market tap into this mitigated wick to go higher. Okay, so market tap into this mitigated wick, try to go higher with all this liquidity here. So if you were here to go at this high, then yes. Okay, but if you were targeting the this extreme high, then you know it doesn't work out. So what has happened is market went down to take out more liquidity. So let's take a look. Where do we have more liquidity? We have this pullback here. Okay, so we got this one here. Now here's what we need to do. So you can see the market came here, and then that's when we started getting wicked. So we want to go on the lower time frame. I want to see what is happening at this point that's giving us this week, and you can actually see that we're going to refine our point of interest a little bit more to this point here. Okay, all right. Now here is the drill. So market came here, reacted. So if you were looking to buy here, then you would have been waiting for a long time. So market did the bullish candle here on up, and then we want to be reacting to what is the market doing. What is the market currently doing? So we went up. Okay, so went up. We have a break of structure here because candle closes above. So we want to buy at a discount, isn't it? We want to buy at a discount. So let's go here, for example. Let's go in the 15-minute time frame. Okay, so we want to buy at a discount now. All right. So where is this discount going to be? So this is the pullback. So this is the pullback. Okay, so do I see anything here except this one mitigated? This one got mitigated, so therefore I'm going to go from here to here. Okay, from here to here, and what do we have here? We want to look for the unmitigated points. So this whole thing got mitigated by this one. So I'm going to drop this down to this candle. Okay. This candle here has been unmitigated. So this is the last big push down. So I'm going to put it here. This is the last big push down, and this is unmitigated as well. So I'm going to put it here. Okay. And what has happened is we have a big reaction. So we come here. Boom, boom. My entry, my stop will be below this. Again, aggressive stop are going to be below. All right. And then your target, that's when you're going to be targeting these highs here. Okay. So here you'll be targeting these highs. Okay. I think it's not as big as the previous win. It's not as big as the previous win, but it is a win indeed. Okay, so this one was a great win, but this is a win indeed. Okay, now why is it? It's because market was getting bullish intention coming from here straight away, and here we go. So this would have been this would have been from 12 till 14, so 2 days trade area, 2 days waiting in this particular case. Okay. All right, so let's close this down. I'm just showing you how my trading strategy works, looking for the order flow and so on and so forth. So this is where we are currently. So same thing here. So we have a break of structure at this point. Now, where is the pullback? So this is the pullback. So this is the pullback. So this is the pullback before the break out. So therefore, we're going to go from here to here. So this is where we are currently, and we are looking to buy at this particular area here. Now what we have is we have a mitigated wick, which is here. So we have this unmitigated wick, as you can clearly see. And also the good thing with this one is that you guys normally do. So we have a resistance here, which could break out, could retest, and then this could be a retest of this breakout here. Okay, so that is one that could be done. Okay, and then let's take a look what we have. So we have this order flow. We have this order flow. Okay, now this candle here got mitigated by this one, so drop down to this candle. Okay, and you can see that this candle here got mitigated by yeah, so this candle here got mitigated by this one, so I'm going to drop down to this one here. So this is the mitigated point in the time frame here. Okay, we also have one here. Okay, now let's see, we can use our fib if we want. Fib from here to here. Okay, so 50% is here, 60% is here, and this is here. So we have a fair value gap which we can tap into. Now some people will be looking at their volume profile, which I can put this in to see where we are. So in terms of big prices, it is here pretty much. Okay, all right. Let me delete this. Okay, so these are the areas that we want. If we're going to buy, we want to buy at this particular point. Okay, now okay, let's go on the 30-minute time frame. Okay, now I'll show you where I've entered some of the trades already before. I entered a trade before on oil. I think around this point it was. I went all the way up, came down, and then I closed it as a small win. And then I entered this here again. So market went up, and you can see it's coming down again here. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to do some sort of scalping, just looking at everything we have. Okay, orders buy got cancelled, get cancelled. Okay, so no problem, executed. So this is my demo trade, yeah. So this is some of the demo trade running out. Okay, you can clearly see that short is going well, this is not doing so well, and so on and so forth. Okay, so anyway, let's take a look. If we refine this, so this is the order flow. Now, this is unmitigated, so this part is unmitigated, which is very good. So this point here is unmitigated. Okay, we also have this one mitigated. Okay, the good thing is this is mitigated. Okay, now I want to enter here, isn't it? But I want to see more buyers coming in. That is the thing. I want to see buyers coming in at this particular point. Otherwise, it's going to drop down. Okay, now let's go into 5-minute time frame. I want to see what is happening here. Okay, now we have a shift in structure. Okay, so we have a bigger structure here. Bigger structure could go up, and we have a pullback to go higher. So this got breaking out. Okay, now this candle here on the top, we broke this one here, and then we came here in this particular point. Okay, now I want to see bullish intention coming through the market. So we have a order block here. The market is tapping into to go higher. And in terms of indicators, nothing much. Okay, so okay, now what we have is so we came here. We just want to try to go higher. We're going to go higher. We took liquidity. We drop down. Okay, now market came here. We tap into this order flow. So this is the order flow we tap into to go lower down. We want to take out some liquidity. It's good to go lower down. Okay, and this was not enough to break out. Okay, so we have this buy to sell. So we want market to come into this to sell eventually. Okay, now this got mitigated already because we booked into this one to go lower. Okay, we have this fair value gap. So I'm expecting this to come here and then to drop down even further down. Okay, let's take a what we got. So this is the buy to sell. So this is the order block. Okay, dive into this order flow. You can see we are having trouble to go up. Okay, so while we're waiting for this, to happen, what can I do? What can we do? Let's look at gold, for example. Okay, let's look at gold, for example. Okay, what I'll do is I'll put a I'll put a, so this is done. I'll put a create this. Okay, when price hit cross, oh, maybe. Okay, so what price is this? So this is the price I wanted to cross at. Okay, once, okay, hit order flow. Okay, so when it's crossing up, or just crossing anyway, just the crossing anyway. Create this. Okay, yeah. So if it hits this, then I'll know. Okay, so this way I can look at gold, gold, gold. Okay, I'm currently on a trade on gold. So let me show you the trade I am currently in. Okay, let me show you the trade I'm currently in. Okay, so this is a small account that we have. This is small account that we have. So we are two trades we're currently in. So we are on the national gas trade and the uh, gold trade. Okay, let me show you the gold trade here. Okay, so this is the gold trade. You see that I have loads of indicators going on. I will close one of them. I will fix up my EMA. Here we go. All right. Now, unfortunately, gold, I should have entered gold 29th of Feb, which I did not. Okay, but I entered gold here last week. Okay, you can see the gold's been very, very good for me so far. Okay, and so this is one of the market I'm using. Okay, blah blah. Oil, oil. Okay, so oil. I entered oil. I think I entered oil here. I think this morning it went up, did very, very well this morning, and then dropped down again. And here we are at this particular point. Okay, so what we are doing now? What are we doing now? What are we doing? So I'm waiting to see a confirmation happening on oil to enter it again. Okay, so that's what I want to see. I want to see. So I entered oil because we had this nice candle pattern. Okay, you can clearly see that we have a very nice candle pattern here. Okay, and what we are having is we are also having a nice candle pattern. So what I can do is I can enter oil as well. So let's go for an entry. Okay, so let's go for an entry here. Okay, and then okay, and let's see what happened. All right, so we have a nice candle pattern as well. Okay, now we have a break of structure to go up higher. So I want to be careful when we approach this level here. Okay, all right, so I want to be careful as we approach this level. So let's go on this time frame. Okay, because $1 down, £1 down, because what we have is we have the following. So we went up. Okay, so do we have a valid pullback? This is not a valid pullback. You can see that everything is contained with this candle. So we got from here to here, and then we just went higher. Okay, and then this is a valid pullback. So from here to here, we are indeed in the zone. Okay, to go higher. All right, so but we want to be careful though. Okay, because one thing is I don't like is the aggressiveness of oil so far. Yes, oil is buy. Yes, it is buy, but I don't like this aggressivity of oil coming up. Okay, so go on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so our point of interest to buy gold oil will be here at this particular point. Okay, so this is the main problem that we have. Okay, 25. Let me show you natural gas so far. Natural gas, what we have for natural gas. Here we go. So we have nice pullback this morning on the 15-minute time frame. And here to go higher. Okay, and let's go. Yes, you can clearly see a nice pullback from this fair value gap, and we are closing above, so we start to go up, close up. In terms of target profit, I'll see whether I can secure some profits here. $2. Wait, that's $2. Okay, and oil again. So oil is something I need to monitor because, as you can clearly see, not doing so well. Okay, so we have I think tomorrow. Okay, right. What else should we look at? What else should we look at, guys? Guys, anything we should look at, guys? comment in the section below, guys. Anything that we should look at. Working good. All right, thank you for the hearts. Okay, so what should we look at? Okay. All right, someone said Bitcoin. Someone said Bitcoin. Okay, let's take a look at Bitcoin. Okay. All right, Bitcoin. You want to look at Bitcoin? Let's take a look at Bitcoin. You know what? Let me go look at crypto pretty much in general. What I will do is I'll keep an eye on this. I'll look at Wall Street. I'm eyeing Wall Street. I was okay, just before I look at Bitcoin, I just want to talk to you about this here. So I was short on this one yesterday, and I was waiting for it to come and hit my this zone. It did hit it, and then it went down massively. So this would have a beautiful, beautiful one. So just keep an eye on this one in case to re-enter. SP500. Let's take a look again. So we are getting a nice. So we tap into this order flow. This candle with block here. Let's take what we got. So okay, we're getting a nice one here. So let's take a look how much will this one willing to take. So this is gonna take a lot from me. So this is a very nice point of entry, if you can clearly see. Okay. All right. So Bitcoin is yeah. All right, let's go Bitcoin. Here we go. So cryptocurrency. So what are we doing currently on cryptocurrencies? Okay. So let's see what we have. Interesting. Okay. So this was an order block that I put there, and Bitcoin broke through that. Okay. Now let's see what we have. We have a break construction on the upside. We entered this unmitigated wick here, and then we went down. Okay, so we went down in this particular case. Okay, so what do we have? What is the pullback? Right, so we have this series of pullback to go higher. Okay, so we are now here. Let's take a look. How far is this? Okay, so what we have is we have this unmitigated wick. Okay, and we're closing below this, above this. Okay, so this could be a good sign. All right, so we have liquidity build up here. So okay, Bitcoin. All right, so nothing neutral from the institutional. Okay, let me check this one here. Okay, what did I draw here? Okay, inducement happening here. Went down, broke this, and we're getting rejected. Okay. Okay, so Bitcoin is well, if we have support here, so then yeah, but there's no aggressive buyers coming into the market. There's no aggressive buyers coming into the market, and it is also 4 o'clock UK time, so we do not have any aggressive buyers coming in to push the price higher. Yeah? So what I want to see, something like this. I want to see a big impulsive move, and then we'll come back to retest this, and we can go higher. So that's what we don't have on the monthly time frame. Okay, so the good thing is Bitcoin did close on the monthly time frame, did close above. Yeah, so monthly time frame, Bitcoin did close above, which is very, very bullish for Bitcoin to see. Okay, you can actually see that. The weekly time frame. Okay, so we did close above, which is very good. Thing is, we are getting a pullback here, so you can see that Bitcoin did close above here, which is very good. What's my thing? Okay, here we go. Bitcoin did close above this, which is very, very good. But we're getting a pullback again. So that is what we don't want to see. So here, close below, we get close above. So that's what we don't want to see. All right, but I mean, it's been crazy. Look at that. So since here, so since this point, we've just been going up. So since here, yeah, nearly 200% of your return. Okay. All right, so oil is going up, which is very good. That's what I want to see. Okay, so from here to here. All right, so if we have to go drop down, then we're going to come back to this level here. Okay, so this is the higher time frame wise, but Bitcoin is still bullish. Okay, you can clearly see we're still bullish going on. Weekly time frame, we're down. Daily time frame, we are here. So daily time frame, we are coming into this order block. Okay, so we're coming into this order block here. We want to see more reaction. We want to see more reaction. Yeah. So if it failed this one, then we're going to come back to this point maybe. Okay, let's take a look at our analysis. Break of structure here. Break of structure. And then where's the pullback to for this break of structure? So this is actually the pullback here for this break of structure. And you can see that we've been so bullish that we have no proper pullback. So we've just been going on and on and on. On and on and on over here. Okay. So this could be something here. Let's take a look at the volume profile. Okay, volume profile telling me all the volume is here. We have some volume here as well, but the main one is here. Okay. So we have order flow. We have minor order flow here. Of course, we have all those sort of for our time frame. Okay, so my thing on Bitcoins currently is if you want to buy, then you want buyers to come in. Okay, at this point. Okay, if not, all these things just liquidity. We have here, we have an mitigated wick here. Okay, which can pose some resistance. Let's take a look. Yeah. Okay. Otherwise, we have. Otherwise, the thing is, we've broken this order block. So this order block can act as. So this order block here, which is here, this can act as a breaker block. So this can act as a breaker block because what we have is we have something like this. Okay, so market came up, down here, and then continue lower. Yeah, so that's what we can have. Okay, so oil's been clicking up. I'm gonna go back on oil. Okay, oil's been clicking up. Okay. All right, so oil's been clicking up. Let's go on the 50-minute time frame. Okay, 5-minute time frame. Okay, so this is what I want to see. So what I will do is I will do something on the 5-minute time frame. Okay, so what I will do is I want to be in profit a little bit. Yeah, I will move this here a little bit. Okay, here we go. All right. Okay, because I want oil to keep on going. I want oil to keep on going up. Okay, that's what I want to see. Okay, let's go back now. So to Bitcoin, was it? Okay, yeah. So that's what I want to see. So here, okay, so what we have here is you can see on the 5-minute time frame, we have some bullish intention coming in to the market. So we have breakthrough. We have a mitigated order block. Now the body of the order block has not been mitigated, which is very good. So which is what you want to see happening. Okay, and they want to see more break of the structure on the upside. That's what you want to see. Okay, this is what you want to see. More break of structure on the upside. Otherwise, someone's going to go down from here. Okay, let's take a look at the other cryptos. For those of you who like crypto, I'm investing in some of the crypto as well. Okay, so what we have is a mitigated point here, which is very good, and you can see we are reacting off this. Let's take a look what we got. I think I will zoom out on look on the 4-hour time frame. Yeah. Okay. Now this our inducement. Okay, so inducements. Unmitigated points here. Okay, we have an unmitigated point. Okay, so this got taken out. Yeah, got loads of resistance here. Buyers here. Okay. Good. We have a nice order block here. Okay, Litecoin's been doing well. So Litecoin, one of the old coins. So this Litecoin's been doing well when everything's falling out. Okay, so you can see that this one here is all the way down here, close to the channel. Okay, so this is a good one. We just need to see intention coming into the market. That's what we want to see. Intention coming into those coins. Yeah. Okay, so these ones I want it to come down before go up. Yes, it's coming down. This one's low. So this one of the ETF of Bitcoin. Okay, this is a massive crash there. Okay, massive crash here. You can see Ava as well, massive crash. Yeah, crash, crash, crash. Shiba is crashing as well. This one was doing good. This one was doing good, but then just crashed down. Okay, now the thing is that I have so many coins. I'm looking at just technicals for some of them, the order flow and everything. Yeah, if I want to buy. Okay, I had some Pepe's. Pepe is falling down, unfortunately. Okay, that's not good. Again, so you want to invest money that you can afford to lose. Yeah. Okay, so we are currently here. Okay, so I did put something here. Again, so I just need to see order intention coming to the market for this one. Floki again, so Floki point of interest is going to be here. Then just down. Boom. Boom. Okay. Token is going to be here. I think that's it, isn't it? Okay, my friend. So good trades. Oil is still full, up 100%, £100. Okay. What else do we have? What else do we have? I think that's it, isn't it? I think that's it. I'm currently in the prop firm. I'm trading a few trades there. I am on two trades. I'm on ECHF and EJ. So I'm trading two forex pair. Two forex pair. You can see we're getting some sort of pullback there because, of course, from this order flow. Okay, but if you take me out, it would take me out. Otherwise, I wanted to keep on going up. Okay, so forex. Let's take a look what we got. So I am on this one. Okay, so I am long on this one. Okay, because I'm seeing some bullish intention on the lower time frame. So I want this to go up to here. That's what I want to do. Okay, so this is a more long trade, and then I am also EU chef. I'm also on EU chef on the long as well. You can clearly see we have a here door top and then going up. Okay, so that's what we have. So here I'm looking at this trade here. So this is down trade. Okay, let's put this here now. Down trade here. Waiting for again seeing good stuff here, but I want to see more push pressure and the retest to go up. Okay, EJ, nothing much going on here. Very, very, very weak. Okay, very, very weak. Very, very weak indeed. Okay, so I hope that this has helped you out. Okay, and well, the main purpose of the live session today was to get people to see to show people what I'm doing. It's trade is like uncertainty as well. You want to be sure most of the time, and okay. Now, what I'll show you is I'll show you something amazing. I will show you something amazing in terms of seasonality. Okay, for those of you stick around till the end, so this is a bonus point for you guys. Okay, now so these trade I am in. Let's take oil for example. So this will give the seasonality, energy, crude oil. Let's see what we got. Okay, so the good the best point to enter oil would be around, let's say, 15th or 14th of March. Now, 14th of March, let's take a look. 14th of March. Okay, I think I have it here. Okay, let me just go on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so okay, it will be here. All right, it will be at some point around here, and this would have been nice gain here. So from here all the way up to here, this will be nice gain, isn't it? Amazing gain over there. Okay, amazing gain over there. And okay, and what we have is we expected this to go all the way up till 16th of March. So 16th of March, I'm going to let this run. Okay. All right, so let this run. Let this run. You can see we have a mini pullback happening here, and then we are going to continue going up. So that is a good one. So okay, so that's good. Metal. If you want to look at metal, for example, gold. Let's take a look what gold's telling us. Okay, in terms of seasonality, again, it's a good point to buy gold would be in the same exact time. So if you go in gold, it would be around the same exact time chart. Daily charts, same exact time, 15th of. Here we go. Yeah, exact time. At this point, you're gonna have been. Look at that, a nice trade there. Okay, and we are going to see a pullback from the 11th, so I need to be careful of the 11th, and then we're going to go all the way up again till there. Okay. And what else? What trade am I also on? I think I'm also on gas. There's no gas here. Okay, there's the gas. Okay, let's take a look. Gas. What do we have? Gas. So gas is going to go up till May. Okay, so I may let this one run. I may let this one run here. Okay, this one can let this one run for more profits. Okay, for more profits. Okay, all right. So this is the one I have currently. Okay, so let's take a look. I'm currently down. I'm currently down. You can see I'm currently down. I'm currently down 62 bucks, $62. Okay. All right, let me just show you it anyway. So this is what I have currently. The one is doing great, one's doing not so well. Okay, so I'm not down $62. I'm only down $2 now. Okay. All right, so let me just move this out of the way so you can. Okay, and what else do we need? Okay, so for those of you interested in Dow Jones, let's say Dow Jones. I was looking for that earlier. All right, so Dow Jones, we have a small pullback. We should be still going up. SP 500. Okay, so SP 500 should still be going up. So we do have the pullback. We should still be going up. This one. The thing with these indices. The thing with these indices is you can see that it's been going up like crazy. There's no major pullback happening. Okay, so that's my main problem with these guys. Germany, DAX. Take a look. DAX again, same thing. You can see that it was supposed to go down and then go up, but it didn't go. It didn't do it. It didn't do that at all. Okay, so we expect if this is going to go up, we expect to go up all the way till June. Okay, so let's take a look at some point in the pounds. What do we expect this to do? Now I'll show you something amazing in terms of shorting wise, because shorting wise work very well. Now here it tells us to short from the 8th of May, to short pounds on 8th of May. And let me show you that 8th of May was somewhere here. Here you go. All right, so 8th of May. So that's where you could have shorted it all the way. Okay, so you have nice profits. So from here to here, maybe 2% in this one, depending on your leverage, all the way till where we are currently, and till 19th. Where's the 19th? Till 19th, till here. Okay, till this point, but it actually went all the way down here. Okay, so this would have been your. So I'd say probably if you were to short it till here, this point, because we don't know, because this was unmitigated. Okay. So now what did it tell us? Tell us that it's gonna keep going, it's gonna go up a little bit, and from April the 12th, it's gonna continue going downwards. So we can go on the lower higher time frame. Okay, so seasonality is going to tell us that it is going to go down. So let's take a look. How long will it go down for? Yeah, it's gonna go down. It's gonna continue going down for a long time. All right, so let's have a look. So we want to see where will it go down next to. So next we have, it's going to go down to, we have this order flow that's going to mitigate it. So this is unmitigated on the higher time frame. We have these points here, unmitigated points. I will also label that here. Okay. So if we're going to go down, where are we going to go down from? So we have this buy to sell. That's where we're going to go down from. So let's go in the lower time frame to see what we have. Okay, excellent. Now, if you look at the indicators as well, so what we have this range from here to here. Okay, so that's what we have. Okay, indicators. Yeah, so that's what we have. So that's where we're going to go lower from. Okay, so that is our bias pretty much. So we're going to see what happens. It is going to go maybe next week, Friday, and then from there, that's when we're going to go down. Okay, now same thing with EU. Yeah, so same thing with EU. Let's do EU. Let me keep an eye on this. Nicely. Keep an EU. What's the other one doing? Okay, same thing with EU. Okay. All right, so EU tell us to go from EU from the 1st of Feb. Let's go from the 1st of Feb. I'll show you something amazing from the 1st of Feb. Okay, 1st of Feb is shown here. Okay, 1st of Feb, here we go, around this point. Okay, 1st of Feb, wait for it to close, and then boom, look at that, went all the way down. Okay, now 1st of Feb till the 14th of Feb. Okay, it's 14th of Feb, look, 14th of Feb, what happened is it started going up. Now, we were expecting this to go down a little bit till 4th of May. Yeah, and the 4th of May, we expect this to go up a little bit. Okay, you can see that from 4th of May went up a little bit, which went a lot. Okay, and then from here, 15th of March, here, 15th of March, went to reaches, and then we just dropped massively in this particular case. Okay, now what are we expecting to see? So we're expecting to see a okay, oops. We expect to see a small, okay, 10 years wise, small pullback to this high, 14th of May. Okay, here. So we should be able to see this pullback. Okay, so that's where we're going to go. All right, so what we can do is we can see something. So we broke through, yeah, and then we want to see a retest to go up in this case. Now, it can come back to go higher before dropping all the way down. All right, so that's what we expected to see from the indicators here. Okay, because we are overall bearish pretty much. 55% of them are long. Okay, so they're long. And we have to wait and see what's going to happen to these guys. The order flow will tell us pretty much. Wait and see. Yeah. Okay. So hopefully it's pretty much 50 minutes, nearly 1 hour. So it's been too long. And I hope this helped you out. I hope this helped you out a lot and you learned something good from this video. And yeah, any question, just shoot me. Shoot me. Sorry, don't shoot me dead. Just send me the question through. Yeah. Okay. Okay. And let me check in the chat. So, Daniela, are you still there? Are you still there? Daniela, are you still there, Daniela? Okay, are you still there? We're still there, Daniela. Okay. Good. Okay. Thank you, Daniela, for checking the chat. Okay. Looks like we're going to call it a day now. All right. Okay. Thank you very much. Till next time. Peace out.